Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to find and add the NASDAQ 100 on TradingView step by step. First, open the TradingView desktop app or go to the TradingView website and enter the main chart view. Once you're inside the chart, go to the top right corner of the screen and click on the watch list icon. It looks like a small list symbol. This opens the watch list details and news panel. Next, click on the plus icon to add a new symbol. In the search bar, type NASDAQ 100. You'll see different NASDAQ 100 related symbols appear in the results. The most common symbol for the official index is NDX. You might also see US 100, depending on the data provider. Click the plus button next to the one you want to add. Now, when you select that symbol from your watch list, you'll see that the NASDAQ 100 has been successfully added to your chart, and that's it. That's how you find and add the NASDAQ 100 on TradingView. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.